In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Adalo subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and what to expect after you cancel, so you can make the change with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Adalo app. If you aren't already signed in, log into the account that owns the subscription you want to cancel. It helps to double check you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple apps or collaborate with a team. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. That opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where all of your preferences and account level controls live. Inside Settings, find and open the Usage and Billing section. This is where Adalo keeps the details for your plan, payment method, invoices, and metered usage. Give this page a moment to load fully so the latest information appears. Here, you can review your active plan, the next billing date, and any add-ons tied to your subscription. It's a good idea to note the renewal date before you proceed so you know when your cancellation will take effect. On the same page, you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. Click the Cancel Subscription control to begin. Adalo may ask you to confirm your decision or select a reason for canceling. This is normal and helps them improve the product. Read any notices carefully. Typically, cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing period, meaning you'll keep access to paid features until that date. If there's an option to downgrade instead of fully canceling, consider whether a lower cost plan meets your needs without losing critical features. Before you finalize, quickly think through anything tied to your paid plan, like higher storage limits, published builds, or premium components. After cancellation, projects remain in your account, but features tied to your old plan may become unavailable or limited. If you rely on specific functionality, plan for that change ahead of time. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. You should see a status update on the billing page indicating your plan is set to end at the close of the current cycle. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh the page and check again. That's it. You've navigated to your profile, opened settings, gone into usage and billing, reviewed your plan, and used the cancel option. If you ever need to come back, you can resubscribe from the same billing area. And if anything looks off, reach out to Adalo support for help.